Hi folks, and welcome back to Blackbeard's Detail YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wee review on these Detail Guardz. Now, what are Detail Guardz? What they are little chocks that go underneath your car tyres, basically shaped like a wedge. And then when you're going round with your hose, your jet wash, pressure hose, whatever, they're not going to get caught. There's a little movable kind of run along there. So when the hose goes along, catches and slides along that nice and smooth, instead of catching on that wedge underneath your car tyre. They are not expensive at all. For 4 of them, it's round about £16. It's the same in pretty much any site you go to, whether it be Clean Your Car, Slim's Detailing, Amazon, loads of places. They all sell around about the same price. Are they worth it? For that price, yeah, absolutely. It says I've got 4, stick them underneath the car tyres, and you can generally go all the way around and you don't have to go back through and kind of stick your hose from car tyres. Are they essential? Absolutely not. You can go down, pull it out the way, but again, if you're doing umpteen cars a day, you do a safe wash event, sometimes I can have 9-10 cars, so it's a lot of time to spend bending over and make sure hoses are unstuck from tyres, whereas normally all you do is when the car comes in, throw that down, give it a wee kick with your foot underneath the tyre. You don't even need to bend down to do it, and then that's you know your hose isn't going to get kicked underneath that car tyre, and it saves a wee bit of kind of wear and tear on your lower back throughout the course of a full day's car washing. So how are they made up? Solid plastic construction. They are very, very sturdy. I've had these for well over a year now and they've been used dozens and dozens and dozens of times. The underside seems to be wearing pretty well. It's not so much, it's rough obviously, because when you get put down it gets kicked under the car tyre. It's obviously on concrete, so you're going to get a wee bit kind of wear and tear down there, but it's absolutely nothing at all to be concerned about. It doesn't look as if it's showing any signs of actually failing in any way. One of these, I don't even know which one it is. I actually think it's this one because it's showing a wee bit of stretch marks on it. It was driven over by a Seat Ateca, and yeah, it was fine. There was no issues on it whatsoever. There's also a little hook storage bits up there. I personally don't use them, I just store them on where my brushes go. But yeah, that's a wee handy feature if you like keeping your garage nice OCD, neat and tidy. The actual mechanism bit itself is extremely simple, extremely basic, so yeah, I think you'd need to do something pretty stupid to break it. There's one single star screw on the bottom side which holds this in. It goes all the way through up into the top bit there, and both of these are free spinning. So this bottom one on all of them seem to be a lot tougher than the ones on the top. The top ones just seem to be able to spin round, and with these ones you need to grab it, but doesn't seem to affect at all how the product works. So, would I recommend them? Absolutely. Are they essential? No, they're not. Especially if you're just doing your one car or your one car the other day. But if, again, if you've got sore back, then yeah, pick up a set. You can pick them up in packs of 2 or packs of 4. Bought the pack of 4 one obviously because there's 4 wheels, or if 2 break, then you've got 2 spare basically. So yeah, absolutely. Crack me bits of kit, not essential, but just nice wee things to have.